everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your pharmacy business. So if you're also running a pharmacy business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video we are going to design a chatbot to collect customers' prescription, take orders and answer their queries via WhatsApp. So firstly in this video we are going to design a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for pharmacy business. So this chatbot will let your customers order medicine, send the prescription and get the store details. So this chatbot is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload by providing your automation. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I'm going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here this number is saved as test number. So now let's send a message hello here. Here as I'm entering the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to Health First Pharmacy. I'm your virtual assistant to help with orders, prescription and more. How can I assist you today? And here we're getting 3 buttons, that is order medicine, send prescription and store details. Now let's select our first button, that is order medicine over here. Here as I'm selecting order medicine, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the medicine name. So now let's provide the medicine name here. Here as I'm providing the name, now it is asking me to enter the delivery address. So now let's provide the address here. Here as I'm providing the address, I am getting a message that order placed. Now let's move on to a second button, that is send prescription. Here as I'm selecting send prescription, I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the image of my doctor's prescription. So now let's provide the image here. Here you can see I am having an image named prescription. So I am going to select this image and send it to my bot. Here as I'm providing the image, I am getting a message that is received. Now let's enroll to a third button, that is store details. Here as I'm selecting store details, I am getting a message which consists of the timing of the store, its contact number and its email address. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your pharmacy business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in, sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you can see we are getting the option for Pabbly Chatflow app. So for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to click on access now here. After accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see I have added 2 numbers to my account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and on this add WhatsApp number you can see we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. And here you can see we are getting the option for create a new folder. So if you want to create your own folder, you can just click here and create it. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So here you can see we are getting the first feature, that is the inbox. So inbox is the section where we receive message from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now further we are getting the option for contacts. You can manage your contact list here, and the next one we are getting is the team queue. So you can manage your team access for managing the chatbot by just clicking on team queues. Now the next feature we are getting is templates. So if you want to create your own templates, you can just click here. Now the next feature we are getting is broadcast. So if you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can just click on broadcast over here. Now further we are getting the flows. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows over here. Now further we are getting the AI assistant. You can create or add your own AI assistant from here. Now the next one we are getting is the activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now further we are getting the feature that is settings. So you can manage your settings according to you by this feature. Now further we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help over here. Now if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. So for that you just have to click on flows over here, and once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow I have created. So you can also create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button, and once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here on this flow page you can see we are getting the flow start, and here we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for pharmacy business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start, here you can see it is asking me to enter keywords. So you might be thinking what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter to interact with this chatbot. Now further here it is asking me to enter regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now further, it is asking me to choose templates. If you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now if the user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that, I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options. Now for entering a message, we just have to select text plus button message over here, and once you will select text plus button, you will get this message, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's provide a welcome message to our customer here. Here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and I have entered this sentence, that is, hello, welcome to Healthworks Pharmacy, between these asterisk signs to make it bold. And now I am going to add some buttons in this message. So for that, you can see we are getting the option for add button. So just click here and it will ask you to enter the text. So basically here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's create a first button here. Here you can see I have created my first button, that is order medicine. Now I am going to add some more buttons in this message. So again you have to click on add button and enter the text of your another button. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is send prescription, store details. Now if the user selects order medicine, I am going to ask some questions from my customer. For that, you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just click on ask question and you will get this question action. Now let's firstly connect this order medicine button with this question. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the name of medicine. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the medicine name. Now further, it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just click here and create your own fields. Now I am going to select contact custom field as medicine here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers this question, again I am going to ask them another question regarding the delivery address. So again you have to go to actions and click on ask question over here. Here I have entered this another question asking for the delivery address, and the contact custom field I have selected is address, and the format I have selected is any. Now if the user answers this question, I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So again you have to select text plus button message over here. Here I have entered this confirmation message from my customer. Now let's enhance our second button, that is send prescription. So for asking the prescription from my customer, I am going to select the ask media action over here, and once you will select the ask media, you will get this media question action. By selecting ask media, you can ask any type of media such as audio, video, document, etc. from your customer. Now let's firstly connect this send prescription button with this question action. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the prescription. Here you can see I have entered a question asking for the image of the doctor's prescription, and the contact custom field I have selected is image, and here you can see the media type is already selected as any, but you can choose it according to your need. And further, it is asking me to enter number. So here it is basically asking me to enter the number of attempt I want to provide to my customer. You can also enter the validation message. Now I am going to provide a confirmation message that their prescription has been received. So for that, again you have to select text plus button message over here. Here you can see I have entered this message. Now let's enhance our third button, that is store details. So I am going to provide the store details in a message. So again you have to select text plus button. Now let's enter the details. Here in this message I have entered the store details. So here we have created a flow for a chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow, just have to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up, that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated replies, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox on the sidebar, and once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and on this particular number you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customer, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed, that this is following the path which we have created through our flow, means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message. If the user selects order medicine, that is the first button, we are going to ask questions from my customer regarding the medicine name. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.